Okay. 2011 Chrysler 200 with the code p118. It's calling for the engine coolant temperature sensor 1 circuit high. This is a easy and fast fix. All you guys gonna need is a 19mm socket, deep socket, and extension. You guys can do this with a 3/8 drive. Disconnect the 2-wire harness connector. I'm using a 3-inch long extension. It's gonna be in the front of the car on the left side of the engine. Here you guys got a drain pan underneath, and if you guys don't want to lose too much antifreeze, you guys can put your finger in the sensor hole, get the new one, and as soon as you remove your finger, put the other one in, so you guys don't lose too much antifreeze. Once you have it finger tight or hand tight, keep going with the ratchet. Alright, very good. Reconnect the harness to the sensor, and don't forget to delete the trouble codes. Alright guys, this is simple to do this repair, and thank you for watching again.